3 seconds. The Rajya Sabha has seen many chairmen but none quite like Jagdeep Dhankar. His flamboyant style in conducting House proceedings and his candid views on political matters often left both allies and opponents stunned. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar's sudden resignation on July 21, 2025, citing medical reasons, has come as a surprise and triggered a search for his successor. The 74-year-old leader, known for his robust command over parliamentary procedures and sharp constitutional awareness, stepped down, leaving behind a legacy marked by vocal assertiveness, firm discipline, and political turbulence. He cited health reasons for the resignation, though the exact nature of his health concerns remains undisclosed. Jagdeep Dhankar became vice president in August 2022, succeeding M. Venkaiah Naidu, and was slated to serve until 2027. As chairman of the Rajya Sabha, his 3 year stint was anything but quiet. He frequently clashed with opposition MPs over procedural and political matters and was known for his assertive conduct in the upper house. While the government initially appreciated his resolve, Dhankar's outspoken remarks on sensitive issues, including judicial matters and constitutional interpretations, created unease within the NDA. His decision to read aloud an opposition sponsored motion for the removal of Allahabad High Court Judge Aswant Verma on the very day of his resignation only deepened the intrigue around his exit. Dhankar's resignation has left the BJP-led NDA scrambling to find a suitable replacement. The ruling alliance is expected to weigh its options carefully. By all indications, the next vice president is likely to be a non controversial, seasoned party hand with experience in governance and parliamentary affairs. The choice may fall on a governor with a low key profile or a senior union minister with proven administrative acumen. A former governor of West Bengal and a Supreme Court lawyer, Jagdeep Dhankar, brought to the vice president's office a legalist's mindset and a nationalist's zeal. His firm handling of the Rajya Sabha proceedings, especially during contentious bills, opposition protests, and walkouts, will be remembered as both a stabilizing force and a polarizing influence. Supporters hail him as a constitutional sentinel who stood his ground amid repeated challenges to parliamentary discipline. Critics, however, accuse him of blurring the lines between neutrality and partisanship. Yet even detractors concede that his presence in the chair added gravitas to House proceedings. The vacuum left by Dhankar's resignation comes at a crucial juncture as the monsoon session has just begun and multiple legislative battles loom. The new vice president will inherit a politically charged upper house and the enormous responsibility of navigating it with restraint and firmness. As the BJP led NDA evaluates its shortlist, the coming days will see intense deliberations to ensure the next vice president can unify rather than divide, preside with dignity rather than discord, and carry forward the constitutional mandate with maturity.